meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
It was a frigid morning across the Badger State. Take a look at these lows, many of them record lows, including Rhinelander, Anago, Oshkosh, Appleton, and Manitowoc. And after a cold start, we had a cold finish. Highs today only in the single digits. This was our coldest March day in 5 years, but we are going to warm up. In fact, today will be the coldest day until next winter. Now, having said that, it's still going to be cold. 20 degrees tomorrow, 20 on Wednesday, 22 on Thursday. Much warmer than what we saw this afternoon, but still about 15 degrees below normal for this time of year. We do warm up this weekend. Temperatures will get back up into the 30s. Right now, we are looking at widespread single digits. It is currently 3 degrees in Sturgeon Bay. We've got 4 in Watoma, and we're looking at 3 degrees in Mountain. But of course, you got to factor in those gusty winds. We have west to southwest winds right now in the valley at around 10 miles per hour. In Green Bay, we're looking at westerly winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, and with a temperature of 7, that means the wind chill is 8 below. It feels like 10 below in Appleton, and it feels like 14 below in Sheboygan, and those wind chills will generally stay in that area throughout the night into tomorrow morning. Having said that, they will be a little bit colder across the far northwest, where wind chills could dip into the 20s below zero as we head into the morning hours, but for most spots, wind chills mainly around 10 to 15 degrees below zero. Not nearly as bad as this morning, but still bad. High pressure in control of our weather, giving us nearly 100% possible sunshine today. We do have a weak system out across Minnesota. That's going to swing across northeast Wisconsin tonight into tomorrow morning, giving us clouds and the chance for a flurry. You can see very cold conditions across the upper Midwest and northern plains today. 9 for a high in Green Bay, but out to the west, behind that weak system, we had temperatures getting up into the teens, and those teens to around 20 degrees will move in tomorrow with that mixture of sunshine and a few clouds and maybe a flurry. Overall, quiet weather here as we head through tomorrow into Wednesday. Another little weak system moves through Wednesday afternoon with once again the chance for maybe a snowflake or two. Not a big deal. So your forecast for tonight calls for skies to gradually become mostly cloudy, so it's not going to be as cold as last night. Those clouds act like a blanket. We may see a flurry with lows around 0. Tomorrow, windy and warmer, maybe a flurry, sun and clouds otherwise, with high temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 20. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to the Heart of the Valley Food Pantry, and we did that on Saturday. I forecast 31. The actual high temperature was 31 degrees. Sun and clouds then for Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. Temperatures slowly warming up, and then a significant warm up this weekend. With the warm up comes a good chance for some snow, rain, freezing rain, or sleet. But of course, along with that, we get to turn those clocks ahead 1 hour before we go to bed Saturday night. So Sunday night, although it's going to be cloudy and it could be snowing or raining, the sun does not go down until almost 7 o'clock.
That's great. Another sign that spring is right around the corner.
Yes, we are. I mean, we are in the final stretch of winter here. As we head into mid-March, things typically warm up, and we will do that.
You really got my attention when you said this is the coldest we'll see it until next winter.
Yeah, and that's really not going out on a limb. I mean, to get this cold again as we head into mid-March would be very difficult, if not impossible.
Still reassuring to hear, though.
And big news, I feel like. All right, Cameron, thanks so much. Still ahead here for us at 6, police in Green Bay getting training that aims to help them